Namaste, welcome to Dapfodo. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful cement tea light candle holders which are shaped in lotus, colored in gold, and they will definitely illuminate our this 2020 Diwali beautifully. So I hope you would like this. They will give a definite rich look. The festive season is on, so we are all busy in decorating our homes. So let's get started in making this beautiful tea light holders. So firstly, if you have these kind of foam lotuses which we generally bring to put it in water in urli or something like that, these after some time tend to get the hard water stain. So I am using those lotus to make these tea light candle holders. So out of one flower you can easily make 2 to 3 one. So I'm using this kind of disposable cups for the base. If you don't have these flowers, you can use disposable spoons also. So here I'm using cement 1 cup, white cement, and this is the rangoli powder. If you don't have this, you can directly use the cement, there won't be any problem. So after mixing up, gradually add water and make not very loose, neither very thick. Make a moderate paste. So now for this ice cream cup I am filling up. You can use any bottoms of the disposable bottles also, and don't fill it up till the top. Leave little space so that we can insert the candle and it will automatically come little up. So now I am just adding this paste to the petals which I've collected. To give more smooth texture, you can add only cement. As I did, I've added more 2 spoons of cement to it, and I'm coating the petals. You can use any brush or can do as shown in the video directly. And on the edges of the base which we have selected, slowly insert the petals. In one of this I have arranged them single layer, and in the one I have arranged double layer. So I found the single layer being more easier to make and easier to paint, to be frank. This is how, and after few minutes of drying you can always go back and just give a rough brush with the cement on the petals, because it won't stand sometimes, and let it dry with giving little weight in the center for overnight. So this is how I've arranged all the 3. With one medium sized flower I got 3. So after drying up the next day, this is the status. The tea light candle holders are coming out easily out. So I am just, if you have difficulty, just run through a small knife as I did in this video, and it will come out easily. And I'm just cutting open the disposable one. So if you are using any other items, please grease it with oil or Vaseline. Any petroleum jelly would do. So after removing, this is a state. The inside should be coated well so that they won't catch fire. The exterior can be okay. If it is very rough and if you're making big one, use sandpaper to smoothen it up. So I've just smoothened it up directly with the knife, and I am using a thick primer here. This is a wall primer paint. You can use acrylic color. Always try to add base color as white so that the color which we are adding will enhance it up. So after adding the color, this is the status of the candle holder. So I've given 2 coats. So after drying up, now I am using the metallic gold acrylic color onto this. So I will color all the 3. Be careful to color the inner portion if you are doing the double layer also. So the corners would be a bit difficult to paint, but please try to cover completely. This is how the status of this. but this is giving very yellowish tint, so I have this gold dust with me, which is also comes with the acrylic binder. So I'm just rubbing the gold dust to give the complete metallic look to these candles. So this is how the result is after brushing up the gold dust. So these are complete. However, to enhance it more, I am just using this red color lace which I have with me. You can use any lace, or you can decorate it with kundans, or any decorations is up to your innovation. So I'm just given at the edge, so that whenever I don't need it, I can remove them. So this is how our tea light candles are ready. I'm placing the tea light candles into the holders. So once you lit them, the inner part also will reflect when we use metallic colors. So that is the reason I've used the metallic. So I hope you have liked the making of it. If you've liked it, please hit the thumbs button, and hope you would give it a try and decorate your home this festive season. So even in the dark, they give very bright look to the space. If you have enjoyed this video, please share my work with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a happy and safe Diwali. Like, share and subscribe. Namaste.